The Ultra Hair Styling Essentials Kit is available now for $19 with 9 products to unlock your best hair days. If I do happen to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. Unlock your best hair days with our Styling Essential Kit, from sleek styles to voluminous curls. The kit has everything you need to create endless hair looks, elevate your hair game, and achieve picture-perfect results every time. The kit will include Better Not Younger, No Remorse, Go-Go Frizz, 2 ounces, Bum Bum Bumble, Hairdresser's Invisible Oil Primer, 1 ounce, Curl Smith Curl Defying Styling Souffle, 2 ounce, Jogo Power Spray, 1.5 ounce, Lave Glossing Detangler, 0.85 ounce, Mixed Chicks Morning After Foam, 3.4 ounce, Scene Magic Serum, 0.04 ounce, Slip Pure Silk Skinny Scrunchie in pink, 1 count, Verb Glossy Shine Spray, 1 ounce. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. I hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.